Hi there, and welcome to the tutorial on how to post to the LakeCityBaseball.com website. This is where you'll go to post articles concerning games, updates for the association, any other information that needs to get out to the public. If you're a parent, board member, coach, whomever, you've been given permission to post things to the website, and I encourage you to do so. So now that you've got your username or have already had your username, you're going to want to log in. So I'm going to log in with the account that I created in the prior tutorial. Log in. So then I'm going to come back to the main page, but we're going to have some new options. You're going to have your details page, which it's basically your bio. If you have an email account, you can log in here. Right here is what we're going to learn right now is submit an article. So we click on submit an article. It's going to take you into the editor. Editors similar to Microsoft Word, other popular editors out there. Please use this to insert your story. You can copy and paste from Microsoft Word if you wish. Once this opens here, we can get going. Something is missing here. Okay, there we go. This should load. If it doesn't load for you like this, just click that toggle editor like I did. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to title our article. Call this then Lake City Baseball website posting. Down here is where you're going to type all your content. I bolded that. Can italicize it. All your typical editor functions. Let's say we want to put a picture in here. Click on the insert edit image. What it's going to do is bring up a list of folders on the website itself that have images in it. Now, you don't have to use those images. You can use your own image if you have an image from a game or whatnot. This is how you do it. Sorry, trying to move that. Okay. So, we are going to upload a photo by clicking right here on this icon. And what it's going to do is bring you this. You can drop your files here, or you can just browse your computer, and I'll find some random photo to upload. There's none in there. We'll do the LCY SBA logo. So I'm just going to double click that once I find the file. So there it is. It's 92 kilobytes, and I'm going to upload it. It's done uploading. So now I want to find it. It actually goes right to it. So there's the image. We just uploaded it. As far as the property goes, the URL would be if you wanted it to go to a link. There we go. Sorry. Click on the image itself and that'll populate it. This is the link to the actual image. This would be the alternate text. Let's say somebody didn't have the pictures load. This is what it would say. This is dimensions, which you can change if you want it to be bigger, smaller, whatever. Keep in mind, the bigger you make it, the more pixely it'll be. Also keep in mind that the center of the screen, so if you've got an image that's 900 pixels wide, you're going to want to make it smaller because the actual news story, news article is only about 600 pixels wide. So it is proportional. So if I change one side, the other one's going to change accordingly. So, but I'm not going to change the side at all. The alignment would be how do you want it aligned on the screen. As you can see, it changed the text over here as far as if you want the text to wrap around it, to the left, to the right, um, top. So there's many. I usually do the left. Clear would, if you don't want anything on the sides, it would clear it out. Just gonna leave it not set. Change your margins. You can put a border, all that fun stuff. The rollover would be basically what do you want it to, if you want the image to change to something else when you roll over it, don't worry about that. And the advanced, I wouldn't even mess with that. So just here's your basic image. It has saved it onto the website. So now we're all set. So I'm going to click insert. So what it does is it inserts that into the article. And now we had it aligned left. So if you've got pictures of players or whatever, you can also put a little caption below it. I usually like to go a little bit smaller font size. On those, and then we'll increase it back up. I think it was at 10 point. And then you can just, never mind, it wasn't at 10 point. It's at 12 point. So just go ahead and type whatever you need. So that's pretty much it as far as typing the article. One other very important step in the process, however, is under publishing. You're going to want to pick a section for it. So we'll just call this Metro League Baseball. Under Metro League Baseball, there's going to be a category, Archives or Metro 2012. The archives are basically things from last year and prior years, and we want this to be Metro 2012. Is it published? Yes, it's published. We want it to be published. Do we want it to be shown on the front page? Yes. This is important that you click this because if you don't, it won't show up on the front page and then people have to navigate to it. Author alias, it will use your name. However, if you want it to say something else, we'll call this a different name. That's who it'll say it's published by. You can tell it when to start publishing. So if you don't want it to post until Monday, you can go ahead and pick this date selector and it would be Monday. I'm not going to change this right now because I want it to post now. And then you can finish publishing. Let's say we wanted it to finish publishing today, and well, we'll say we want it to finish at 2 o'clock, 2:30 today. What'll happen is it'll just come off the website at that time. So if you have something that's time sensitive, meeting announcement, whatnot, then it can automatically remove it. Access level, that would be who do you want to be able to access it? Do you want the general public to be able to access it, which means anybody that comes to the site can see it? Do you want registered people to access it, which means if somebody has registered for a user account, they do not have to have any type of permissions, they just would have had to have registered. Or special. Special would mean that only somebody that is granted permission to read articles would see it. Ordering, it just states that the new article defaults to the first position. I can change the ordering. You guys don't have to worry about that. Description, this would be just type in a brief description. So when someone goes to Google, let's say they were looking for a tutorial on this. This would help Google find it. Basically, these words and then keywords. So keywords, you might want to use LCYSBA, baseball, Lake City, just any keyword that would bring somebody to this site when they do a Google search. Also, what Google does is they have things called spiders, which go out and crawl on websites and look and pull these keywords. And what that does is it helps direct traffic to your site. So the more keywords you can use, if you want to use a name, whatever, you can put it in there. So when you're all complete with that, what you need to do is click Save. Once you click Save, what that's going to do is it's going to post the article to the website. And as we can see, there it is. Voila, we have it. Now let's say, oops, I have a capital H here. I don't want that. I really, really don't want that. What you can do is there's a little icon here which is called Edit Article. And you can also see that it's gives you information published public Sunday 27th of May 2012 by a different name. Also over here you can see that information too. People can download a PDF of it, they can print it, or they can email the story itself. But what we want to do is click on this edit article. You will only see that if you're logged in and you have the rights to. So, and you can actually edit any article on here. So we're going to click on edit article, and what it's going to do is it's going to take you right back into the editor. And this is where I'm going to make that change. And I'm actually going to try one other thing. I want to make the word this yellow. So I am going to click for it to be yellow there, and then I'm going to save it. So I've made my change, click save, and then it's going to take us back out to the site. And lo and behold, we have a yellow word. So don't worry about the black text as you're typing. It is not going to cause an issue. You can change your text colors to whatever you want if you want something to stand out. But pretty much that's about it. Now let's say you were just playing around like we just did, and now we want to get rid of this, which this would disappear in an hour, but let's say I want it to disappear now. All I have to do is go down here, unpublish it, and take it off the front page. And what that will do is, when my slow computer is done, get rid of it. So it's gone. So in a nutshell, that's how you post to the website. It's not overly difficult. If you do have problems, you can always give me a call or email me. But I look forward to teaching more things about the website. It's nice to have some help doing this stuff, and much appreciated. Leave some feedback on the YouTube page so I can help improve this tutorial. But for now, that's all. Coming next, I will do a tutorial on team administration for all you coaches out there. But let's get some parents and people involved here so we can make this an even better experience for the kids. Thanks. Have a great day.